Have you forgotten what you did a year ago? That's why you are watching TV so comfortably, you shameless. No, I remember what I had done, weren't you and your two companions at that place, and what you are narrating to me. I killed him only because of you three. Okay, here don't know on who's saying the police started the investigation again. If the police go to the root, then it is impossible for us to escape. So what's the solution of this problem? You have any idea about this case? Tell me fast if you have an idea. Yes, we can ask them for meeting and find the solution. Why they not come yet? Are you making fool me? Answer me. Sorry but very very sorry. They are not more. They dies. I have to save my life, that's why I have to call you at this place, because someone orders me to do this work and I have no any choice. Sorry I have to go from this place then come and meet you. Ask your problem with him. And serve your punishment. Bye bye. Please don't leave me alone. I am so afraid. Please.
Hello sir, welcome.
Who are you? And what's your work, and why did you came here?
You easily forget that you have killed me before a year. I want to live but you kill me and now I will kill you too.
Sorry, please leave me alone.
No I don't but I kill you.
A sad news that a famous businessman named Tiang has killed in their own company conference room.
Many questions are flying, who murders him? Police also refuse to his case because he have dozen of crime reports in their files.
At last, everyone should get their karma. Please subscribe to my channel.